Hello there, we're at the start of week 24, so day 162 of 365 days of art in nature. Here is today's art prompt, a couple of pages, but there's a bit of a sample there of what this particular creative prompt is talking about. So have a good look at that, and then when I read it out, it'll make sense. Trees come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Fill this page with drawings of trees, focusing on their outline and how different each one can be. You can draw from life or perhaps from pictures in books or online. Try using different materials and greens and allow the shapes to overlap. So another look there. So you can see basically very simple shapes, different colours, and they're all overlapping. So have some fun with that one. And I will look forward to seeing all the varieties of trees that you come up with. Thanks for watching.